So as you can see today we're on this base station. I don't know whether we need to put the bench cookie underneath it. Harvard H404. That might help a little bit. We'll use the forward facing speaker. I don't need to plug anything else into it. That's a 3-inch speaker. So if you saw the service video, the trade customer has already sorted out the power supply, but he couldn't get any power through to the set because the AC/DC switch on the back was a bit intermittent, and Mr Chippie has sorted that out. So I've serviced the radio and it's doing 4 watts on its internal power supply. So, Tango 21 Mr Chippie, do you copy?
Yep, Tango 21, received loud and clear.
Yep, roger on that.
Recording, ready to go?
We're going, yep.
Right, we're going up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line.
Roger.
Mr Chippie's on a new mic. While I was ordering all those speakers, if you saw the speaker super test, while I was ordering all those speakers from the wholesaler, I ordered a new mic for Mr Chippie's for the Midland 78 Plus Multi with the slow to lock VCO in cold weather. So he's not rustling and breaking up anymore.
Right, we're now passing Lancaster service station.
And I bet they're shut.
Correct.
Roger. I took the electric car up there with the one we use as a test car for MOT, and the garage part of it's shut and gone away, so we had to use a different one 7 miles away. Anyway, it did pass its MOT, so which I'm glad it did, because it's not exactly very old, is it?
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. We're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Good. I think we're going to be doing a Midland 77 805 again next. There's an immaculate one coming. Although there's supposed to be an order in which we do the repairs, they're all trade repairs, and you know, all the people concerned know they've got to have a bit of patience while we're doing this huge organ job at the moment. So some of it's done what's convenient for me, and I know we've got a binatone Route 66, and that's going to be very time consuming to sort out. I think it's the early version.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. This radio is doing a full 4 watts. It's a Harvard H404 base station, and it's from 1982.
Or received.
Roger diddly dodger. Another silly phrases from the 1980s.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger.
Excellent. It's exceptionally sensitive, this radio. We saw the service video. I think it was 0.3 something microvolts, and the squelch worked right down to 0.1 of a microvolt. So it's very, very good.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger.
Unfortunately, we've not got one of the maps out today, which is a shame. I like to show where we are. So he's at the 4 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
A lot of interference descent all of a sudden for some reason.
Oh right, okay. Well, you've probably got some local interference.
It's cleared up a bit now.
Roger. So that's our worst one, that's the 5 mile point. Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. So have you got a petrol price for me?
Yes, 149.7 and 169.9. Over.
Roger, well, it's gone up 5p, hasn't it, on petrol?
Yes, yeah.
Right, that's it. That concludes the test, thank you. You may come back to base. Well, that worked absolutely great, and I'm still talking to him beyond the 6 mile point. So we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on the standard coffin replacement mic.
Tiger 21 testing the Harvard H404 base station into our Midland 76900 base station. This is with the standard coffin replacement microphone, testing 1 2 3 4 5, 5 4 3 2 1, and as ever,